Highness, Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Dubai and welcome to our 7th Global Education and Skills Forum.
The whole point of this entire conference is to make us see things from a different point of view.
Education is important because there is in the teachers hope and love.
In education, if we want to change the world, we need to back our teachers.
The themes of this forum are powerful, important, and far-reaching.
This conference is really forward-looking in terms of innovation and how we can try new approaches in education.
One of the reasons why I come here is because I feel inspired by all the teachers. So for me, this is something that I really look forward to.
This is the place for powerful discussions. I'm hearing some of the most incredible conversations and I'm taking part in that.
It was a long and difficult journey. From a village to where I am today, I think I've succeeded because of education.
What the Varkey Foundation's done over a period of time is build this conference into really the biggest education conference in the world, which is a remarkable achievement.
I think this is a great event, maybe the most important event about education.
When people learn from other people, this has a tremendous multiplier effect to improve the quality of education, the quality of development.
Welcome to the Assembly Dubai. Are we ready? We've got a lot going on behalf of the Varkey Foundation. We want to welcome you here tonight. Are we ready to have some fun?
Teachers are grossly underappreciated around the world. They're responsible for how we kind of grow up and who we end up being, so it's so important to kind of give the recognition where it's due.
Mentoring people with a dream or with any sort of ambition is super tough to get their concentration and to make sure that their stamina and they don't give up, because that's the goal really, to not give up.
Ladies and gentlemen, the greatest showman himself, Hugh Jackman! Ladies and gentlemen, tomorrow night I'm going to be announcing the winner of the 2019 Global Teacher Prize thanks to the Varkey Foundation. I want to hear it for the teachers of the world. Okay, guys, here it is. Your Highness, Your Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, the time has come. The winner of the Global Teacher Prize for 2019 is... Peter Tabachi.
To be a great teacher, you have to be creative, embrace technology. You really have to promote those modern ways of teaching. You have to do more and talk less.